Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we were working on a Atwood G6A-8E. Customer complaint was water heater doesn't work. So in this specific case, we use a voltmeter and we chase power, okay? So here is the first point of power that you guys should be getting. Will come in on this brown wire on these Atwoods, and it goes through the thermal fuse and then it hooks up to the thermostat. So you should have 12.6 or better voltage here, and then on this side same thing. So once it goes to this side, it comes back through and goes through the harness and it plugs into the control board right here. As you can see, here's the brown wire. So you follow this brown wire here up to the control board. It goes into the control board and is normally plugged in, okay? Then the power comes back out to this red wire, which is an electronic cutoff. So you should have power here, and then you should have power here. Okay, this is actually what's going to turn the gas valve on and off. And that's this wire here. So you should have power here to power the gas valve. So if it passes all these tests, then the actual controller itself will signal it to ignite. And then it comes through this wire, comes down to the igniter here, and will ignite. This one has a bad controller. The controller needs to be replaced. We have no power coming out coming out of the red wire. So we have power coming to the thermostat right here, which goes down here, hooks up here, and we have power coming out of the thermostat and goes up to the board. But the red wire, when it comes back out, it does not have any power. So this board is bad. So we know that we need to replace the controller. Because of the age of this unit though, we're gonna replace the igniter, we're gonna clean up the burner, and we'll do a inspection on the actual regulator itself as well. And we'll just replace the thermal cutoff, the T-stat, and the ECO, because it's pretty old, as you can see. And for safety reasons, we wanna update this stuff. So if you guys need these parts, I'll post links where you can buy them direct from me down in the description. And so help me to keep making videos, and I appreciate the business. And if you guys would drop a like and be sure to subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Until next time, safe travels out there.